You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this brand name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing fashion and design brand names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So this is an American brand, right? In the US it is said as Nike. I know quite a few in the UK. In British English say it also as Nike, but in American English, Nike, of course. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.